Aneagle Paceleader Collapsible Trekking Poles 2 PCS Pack for height 5 foot 3 inch - 6 170/75 aluminum ultra lightweight adjustable hiking poles or walking sticks with quick locks for women or men. Made for ultimate body support. Aneagle trekking poles made of aircraft grade 70/75 aluminum that can withstand more force and improve stability and balance, can reduce stress on back and improve posture when walking or backpacking with our hiking poles. Tougher and durable Aneagle hiking poles made of tough aluminum. Kiaitre trekking poles for hiking. Collapsible 2 PC pack hiking poles with double lock design, aerospace grade 70/75 aluminum trekking sticks for hiking, walking and camping. Full sets of accessories. Retractable tri-fold design. Our newer style of trekking pole features a similar design as tent poles, with a shock cord linking several lightweight shafts. They can fold up less than 14 inch, even smaller than the 3-part telescoping pole, and are typically lighter weights. We'll provide full sets of accessories for various terrains. These are best for trail hikers, through hikers, and uphill skiers and snowshoers. TrailBuddy Collapsible Hiking Poles Pack of 2 trekking poles. Trekking poles. Collapsible Nordic hiking pole pair. Trek Z Cork Handle 2 PC ultralight folding walking sticks. Lightweight aluminum 70/75 foldable trekking stick for trail seniors, men, women. New design. Increase your footprint. Trek Z ergonomic trekking poles, set of 2, give you reason to increase the steps you take. Help preventing knee injury, support extra weight, and walk comfortably with these hiking poles. Cork grip wicks away sweat from hands, keeping them drier. EVA foam shafts allow for a strong grip in extreme all-terrain environments. Trek Z poles are the perfect gift for outdoor hikers who enjoy light and compact gear. Engineered and built to last, keeping your adventurous nature in mind, we knew that no detail could be overlooked. Made with aircraft-grade aluminum, crucial for hiking or backpacking in rough terrains and supporting heavier weights. The joints have been enhanced to be extra secure with added metal caps. Cork grip. Aihoye hiking trekking poles, 2-pack collapsible, lightweight, anti-shock, hiking or walking sticks, adjustable hiking pole for men and women, with 10 replacement tips. High quality. The collapsible hiking sticks are made of premium quality aviation aluminum. Each pole's only weighs 10.8 ounces, which is sturdy, lightweight and easy to adjust. These trekking poles are retractable from 24 inch to 55, fit the needs of men, women and kids hiking trips. Heavy checkmark anti-shock technology. The collapsible and lightweight hiking poles are indispensable tools to casual walkers, serious hikers, backpackers, and mountaineers. The shock-absorbent design helps to reduce strains on hands and wrist during trekking, very helpful for people with weak joints, prior sports injuries, or have unstable hips, knees or ankles. Perfect for Nordic walking, regular walks, leisurely hiking, or adventurous treks.